Partial fractions, exercise 7C. Related concept first we will learn. Later we will do problems in exercise 7C. So first, in previous two exercises we done the problems on partial fractions. We done the problems of partial fractions based on proper fraction. So in this exercise we will do problems on improper fraction. First, one more time, what is proper fraction, what is improper fraction. So whatever the problem we are doing before, we must identify whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. First, I am taking x square plus x plus 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 5. What is the degree of numerator? 2. Degree of the denominator? 3. So numerator degree is less than the denominator degree, then it is a proper fraction. So we done these kind of problems till now. So improper fraction. What is improper fraction? So for improper fraction, either the degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator, or else the degree of numerators and denominators are equal. For example, 3x cube plus 7x plus 5 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. This is the degree of the denominator 3, degree of the numerator 3, degree of the denominator x into x square, highest power 2. So the degree of the numerator 3, degree of denominator 2. So degree of numerator is bigger than the degree of the denominator. So it is proper fraction, improper fraction. One more kind of. So x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. So the degree of numerator is 2, the degree of denominator is also equal to 2. Degree of numerator 2, degree of denominator 2 equal. If it is equal, even though it is a improper fraction. So improper fraction, either the degree of numerator is bigger or degree of the numerator and the denominators are equal. Degrees are equal. Okay. For this problem, how we will do? So first, the degrees are equal. How we will do? For example, x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 into x minus 2. If we do problems like this, the degree of numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. So the degree of numerator is 2. The degree of denominator x into x square equal to 2. These kind of problems, what we will do is, first, what is the highest power x square? What is its quotient? 1. By what is the highest power x into x square? What is its quotient? 1. So we should write like this, plus the denominator x minus 1, the denominator x minus 2, a, b, remaining same process. We should keep this one only. If you forget to write this one, it will went wrong. So we must do like this. Okay. Now we will do problems. So if degree is more, what we will do, I will explain later. So first, if the degrees are equal, what we will do? First question, exercise 7C. First question. First question is, resolve the following fractions into partial fractions. So first one, x square by x minus 1 of x minus 2, x square by x minus 1 of x minus 2. If we write like this, a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2, we will get some answer, but it is wrong because it is not proper fraction, it is improper fraction. We won't do like this directly. Now the degree of numerator 2, the degree of the denominator is also x into x square. So it is also 2. For this problem, x square quotient 1, the denominator x square quotient 1 plus what are the factors? X minus 1, x minus 2. Keep x minus 1 here plus x minus 2 here. So a, this is b. So we need to find out a, x square of x minus 1 of x minus 2 equal to 1 plus a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Now I want to take LCM. X square by x minus 1 x minus 2 equal to LCM x minus 1 of x minus 2. Here it is nothing but so we should keep x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus here it is x minus 1, we should write x minus 2 plus b of here it is x minus 2, so we write x minus 1. X minus 1 cancel, x minus 2 is also getting cancelled. Whatever the right side I want to write first, x minus 1 of x minus 2 plus a of x minus 2 plus b of x minus 1 equal to x square. Take it as equation number 1. So the denominator of a here x minus 1. Take x minus 1 is equal to 0 to get it. So x minus 1 is 0, yet x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 in equation 1. X equal to 1. So x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is 0. Yes. A of 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1. This is 0. Equal to 1 square. 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus a equal to 1. Implies a equal to minus 1. Now put x equal to, so b by x minus 2, the denominator of b is x minus 2, make x minus 2 is equal to 0. When x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. If we substitute x equal to, we will get a b. Put x equal to in equation 1. Then so why we are taking x equal to make x minus 2 0, wherever x minus 2 it is 0. 0 plus a into 0 plus b into 2 minus 1 equal to 2 square. So 0 0 2 minus 1 1 into b 2 square. So now I want to write x square by x minus 1 of x minus 2 equal to 1 plus a equal to minus 1 by x minus 1, b equal to 4 by x minus 1. So this is the answer. If you want to write this one by 1, also you will get the same result, a equal to minus 1, b equal to 4, but it is not correct. So if you simplify this one, whatever the answer you got, if you simplify, you will get the question. So if you won't take 1, if you simplify whatever the values you got, if you simplify, you won't get the given question. So this is the correct answer. If any doubt, you do the simplification of whatever the answer you got, you will get the required, you will get the question which is given. Next, so I want to keep second ladder. Third question. Third question is x cube by 2x minus 1 half x minus 1 whole square. 2x minus 1 of x minus 1 whole square. So first the degree of the numerator, the degree of the denominator, x square into x cube. The degree of numerator 3, the degree of the denominator is also equal to 3. So the degrees are equal. So it is also improper fraction. So now I want to take highest power coefficient, x cube coefficient 1. In the denominator, highest power, x square into 2x cube, highest power, 2x cube, coefficient 2, 1 by 2. Plus, now the process will be remain same like this. So, a by 2x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. Now, I want to simplify. Taking LCM, x cube of 2x minus 1 of x minus 1 whole square equal to 2x minus 1 x minus 1 whole square. Previously it is, but here it is 2, so 2 also will come. Now, so we must write other than what is the denominator. Here it is 2, other than 2, 2x minus 1 half x minus 1 whole square plus other than 2x minus 1, 2 a x minus 1 whole square. Other than x minus 1, one of the x minus 1 leave 2x minus 1, x minus 1. Plus 2b, 2x minus 1, x minus 1. Plus c, 2 into c, x minus 1 whole square. Plus 2c of 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1, x minus 1 whole square cancel. We are get 2 in the denominator. 2 is in the denominator. Don't forget 2. So 2 we need to cross multiply. First right side I want to write 2x minus 1 of x minus 1 whole cube whole square plus 2a of x minus 1 whole square plus 2b of 2x minus 1 plus 2c of 2x minus 1 equal to 2 into x cube. 2x cube, equation number 1. Now, so the denominator 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 is 0 at x equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal to 1 by 2 in equation 1. So the denominator of a is 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 I want to convert to 0 to get a. So 2x minus 1 is 0 at x equal to 1 by 2. If we substitute x equal to 1 by 2, we will get a. So if we substitute x equal to 1 by 2, 2x minus 1 0. This is 0 plus 2a of 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. 2x minus 1 0. 2x minus 1 0 equal to 2 of 1 by 2 whole cube. So 2a into minus 1 by 2 whole square. 2 into 1 by x. 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So 2a into 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4. So 4 cancel. A equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now we got a value. So now the denominator of will be x minus 1. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1 in equation 1. To get a b or c, because this is x minus 1, this is x minus 1 whole square. If we substitute x equal to 1, either we will get b or c. Mostly we will get c because this is square. Okay. Put x equal to 1. Wherever x minus 1 it is 0. This is 0. This is also 0. Plus 2b. Actually, this is x minus 1 of x minus 1. Okay, this is also 0. Now, plus 2c of 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 2 into 1 cube. So 0, 2c of 1 equal to implies c equal to 2 by 2 1. So we got a value, c value. Now we need to find what b value. So to find b value, I want to compare highest powers. So compare highest power coefficients. So instead of highest power coefficient, compare constants on both sides. So this is minus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. 1 into 2a 2a. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 1 into 2b 2b. Minus 1 into 2c 2c. Minus 1 into 2c minus 2c equal to, there won't be any constant, equal to 0. So minus 1. A value 1 by 2. 2a value 1. So this plus 1. 2b we don't know. Minus 2 into c 2 equal to 0. 1 1 cancel. 2b minus 2 equal to 0. 2b equal to b equal to 1. So now I will write the solution. X cube by 2x minus 1 x minus 1 whole square equal to a. First, before that 1 by 2. If you forget to write 1 by 2, so it is a mistake. At least 1 mark will be deducted. Plus a equal to 1 by 2 of 2x minus 1 plus b equal to 1 by x minus 1 plus C 1 by x minus 1. So this is the required solution. Now we will discuss fourth question. Fourth one, x cube by x minus a, x minus b of x minus c. Okay, so if we observe generally x minus a, x minus b, x minus c linear factors, so we can write a by x minus a, b by x minus b, c by x minus c. But it is not a proper fraction. Whenever the question is given, you must check whether it is proper fraction or improper fraction. So it is definitely improper fraction. Highest power x cube, x into x, x square into x, x cube. Here also highest power x cube. So x cube coefficient 1, numerator, x cube coefficient 1 in the denominator. So numerator coefficient 1, denominator x cube coefficient 1 plus a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. So after taking LCM and simplifying, we will get a, b, c values. Okay, x cube by x minus a of x minus b of x minus c equal to, taking LCM, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So since it is 1, x minus a all will come, x minus b, x minus c. Next, plus a of other than x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, plus b other than x minus b, x minus a, x minus c, plus c other than x minus a, x minus a, x minus b. So x minus a cancel, x minus b cancel, x minus c cancel. Now whatever the right side I want to write, x minus a of x minus b of x minus c plus a of x minus b, x minus c plus b of x minus a plus x minus b into x minus b, c plus c of x minus a, x minus b equal to x cube. Equation number 1. Put what we need to substitute. So we need to a, b, c, the denominator x minus a, this is 0, then we will get a value. When it is 0, put x equal to a. In equation 1, then what happened? X minus a is 0, this is 0, plus a of a minus b, a minus c, plus b of 0, plus c of 0 equal to a cube. This is 0, this is 0. So a minus b, a minus c bringing outside, a equal to a cube by a minus b of a minus c. This is substituting x equal to a. So b by x minus b, the denominator x minus b, this is equal to 0, then we will get capital B. When x minus b equal to 0, x equal to, put x equal to b in equation 1, then so wherever x minus b it is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 0, plus b of b minus a of b minus c equal to, this is equal to, not this is b cube. So bringing these two outside, b equal to b cube by b minus a of b minus c. Now x minus c, c by x minus c. If we need capital C, we need to change. It is equal to 0. X minus c equal to 0. When it is possible, x equal to c. Put x equal to c in equation 1. Then so wherever x minus c 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus capital C of c minus c, c minus b equal to c cube. Capital C equal to c cube by c minus c of C minus B. Now so we need to substitute A, B, C values in the given equation. X cube by x minus A, x minus B, x minus C equal to 1 plus A equal to A cube by A minus B, A minus C of x minus C plus B cube by B minus A, B minus C, x minus B plus C cube by C minus A, C minus B into x minus C. So this is the required result.